Heart rate is conventionally measured using electrocardiogram device. In this method, electrodes from ECG device are placed on chest, upper arms, and legs of patient, while ECG device measures electrical activity of heart. This whole procedure is operated by a trained attendant. While ECG measures electrical activity in heart, a radar-based device captures heart displacement due to cardiac rhythm. A contact-free radar is a better alternative as it doesn't involve electrode placement and personal staff attendance. Radar also makes it possible to measure breathing rate as well as heart rate. Our work uses frequency modulated continuous wave radar to measure location of a stationary human target as well as measure its breathing rate and heart rate. We use 24 GHz radar evaluation board from Infineon called Position2Go. It contains 32-bit ARM-based microcontroller for onboard IC configuration, signal processing, and host communication through USB. It also contains 24 GHz transceiver from Infineon with 1 transmit and 2 receive units. 1 transmit and 2 receive patch antennas are printed on PCB. These antennas form an opening angle of 19 by 76 degrees. Position2Go radar module is optimized to work with bandwidth 200 MHz and chirp duration of 300 microseconds. For distance measurement using radar, we set distance to 40 meters by capturing 106 samples per chirp duration. For distance measurement of targets, an upchirp signal of bandwidth 200 MHz is transmitted over a pulse duration of 300 microseconds. An echo of transmitted signal from a target is received after delta t seconds. Which is mixed with transmitted signal to produce intermediate frequency sinusoidal signal whose frequency is directly proportional to time delay delta t or distance of target from radar. Measured range spectrum has 3 types of peaks: 1 ghost targets due to self-interference, 2 static background targets, 3 human target of interest. A scan of background scene is done beforehand and radar IQ data is saved. Measured data is corrected by subtraction of pre-stored background data resulting in clean range spectrum. Normal heart rate frequencies occur on average from 0.8 Hz to 2.5 Hz. Normal breathing rate frequencies occur average from 0.08 Hz to 0.5 Hz. For Doppler frequency measurement using Position2Go radar, we set frequency scanning range to ±5 Hz. This requires sampling interval of 100 milliseconds. Doppler frequency resolution is set to 0.05 Hz, which means that radar data needs to be collected over a time duration of 20 seconds. Frequency versus time graph of multi-chirp transmission in our application is shown here. Chirp duration is 300 microseconds, pulse repetition interval is 100 milliseconds, and n pulses are transmitted over a time duration of 20 seconds. Once IF sinusoidal signals for all chirps are received, FFT is applied on each of them, resulting in range spectrum. A target in radar field of view is characterized by a peak appearing across the chirp. A moving target is characterized by phase change across the peaks, while stationary target has constant phase across the peaks. Mean of each range bin is calculated and subtracted, which suppresses stationary target peaks from the spectrum. These phase values are extracted and used for Doppler processing. Doppler signal of detected target is extracted Its frequency spectrum is symmetric because heart moves in forward and backward direction as well. However, this motion is not linear, hence harmonics are observed in spectrum. We process positive-sided spectrum only. A region of interest for peak surge is chosen corresponding to heart rate frequency range. Peak with maximum value can be selected as valid peak and its center frequency as valid heart rate. However, second harmonic of heart rate spectrum can be falsely detected as true peak with this approach. A harmonic combining method is used, which selects each peak in region and adds its harmonics with it. This results in largest gains in peak value of fundamental frequency of true heart rate. Any false heart rate peak will have no harmonics, hence no gains are observed for false peaks. A peak surge with largest value is declared as true heart rate peak and its frequency is estimated heart rate. A combined heart rate and breathing rate signal is shown here. Both breathing and heart regions show frequency harmonics. This method accurately detects the heart rate even in the presence of breathing harmonics within the heart rate region. A host-based application is written which manages timing, memory, signal processing and plotting of results. Microcontroller firmware communicates with the host application through USB interface and it sends captured radar IQ data to host application periodically. Our heart and breathing rate frequency spectrum peak detection method works well in following undesirable scenarios. Very weak low peak magnitude of heart rate frequency component. Strong harmonics interference in heart rate frequency region due to breathing harmonics. Beats per minute rate is calculated by multiplying estimated frequency with 60. Let's look at the live demo results.